Where is it? Oh my goodness. What did I do with it? Oh, hey guys. Robbie the Painter here. I can't find it. I have looked everywhere. I just can't find it. I lost my favorite fan brush, my paintbrush. I cannot find it for the life of me, and I don't know. You know what? Maybe it's over here. No, that's a fan brush, but that's not the one I'm looking for. I just had it. Maybe it's in here. Oh boy. My favorite fan brush. It's a mystery. It's a mystery. This is very frustrating. I don't know what's going on.
Bobby.
Oh, hey, Sassy.
What's the matter, Bobby?
I'm looking for my favorite paintbrush.
Oh, no.
Wish I could remember where I put it.
You're getting very forgetful, Bobby.
No, I know. I think I've lost it. I don't know.
You lost your marbles.
I'm very forgetful. I've got a terrible memory.
Oh, Bobby. You know what you need?
Yes.
You need those memory pills.
Yeah.
Ginkgo Barabbas.
Ginkgo biloba.
No. Ginkgo
biloba.
That's what I said.
Let me stop you there, Sassy. I bought those pills. I have those pills.
Are they working?
Well, I don't know because I keep forgetting to take them.
Okay, Bobby. Well, good luck with finding your paintbrush. I got to get back to work.
So what are you doing?
Well, this place is a mess, Bobby. And I saw your rake sitting over there on your table, and I just borrowed it so I could rake up the leaves.
Raking leaves? In my painting?
Leaves everywhere. Look at this place.
Well, I appreciate you keeping up on the maintenance on that. Wait a second. Sassy? What are you using for a rake? Is that my favorite fan brush? Are you using my paintbrush?
Where? That one? Fan brush. Looks like a rake to me.
Oh my goodness. Do you realize that I've been looking everywhere for that thing?
Nobody cleans up unless I do it, Bobby.
I appreciate that. Yes, but you got to let me know when you're borrowing stuff.
Well, you can have it back when I'm done.
My goodness. People here think I've lost my mind.
Did you lose your marbles?
Well, thank you, Sassy, for keeping everything clean. I need to get started on a painting episode, so you want to tell everybody goodbye?
Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.
And you'll see them on the next episode.
See you next time.
Bye, everybody. Thank you, Sassy. And thank you guys for tuning in and for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. I will see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.